Good morning, students. I am Professor Nitin Kavalia, faculty of Sagar Institute of Research Technology Excellence, Bhopal, MBA department. So today we will be going through the topic marketing management, and the topic is introduction to marketing management. Right. So first of all, to start with the definition of marketing. So, what is marketing? Marketing is a process by which companies create value for customers and build a strong customer relationship to capture value from customers in return. अगर हम फिलिप कोटलर की डेफिनेशन देखते हैं मार्केटिंग की, सो मार्केटिंग इज अ सोशल प्रोसेस by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products and value with others. Okay, so what we understand, marketing is a social process in which there is a need and want of individuals and groups, and they satisfy their needs, procure what they want, and through the process of exchange. Right. So, according to American Marketing Association, marketing is the activity, set of institutions, and process of creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society in large. अगर हम इसको सिंपल टर्म्स में आसान भाषा में देखते हैं तो मार्केटिंग इज मैनेजिंग प्रॉफिटेबल कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप्स. ओके, सो अब मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट पे आ जाते हैं. व्हाट इज मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट? मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट इज द आर्ट एंड साइंस ऑफ चूजिंग टारगेट मार्केट्स एंड गेटिंग, कीपिंग एंड ग्रोइंग कस्टमर्स through creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value. Now, what do we understand with value? Value is a combination. It is like not only price but the quality and satisfaction that the customer have from purchasing a product. So it is a combination. Value is a combination. We will be going through this definition in coming slides. So this leads to building profitable relationships between with them. Now, what customers will we serve? How can we best serve these customers? Does marketing create or satisfy needs? First of all, we see what is marketing as a career for students of MBA, right? Only function which generates revenue for the organization. We know that marketing is the vertical, is the department of any company, any organization that brings in money for the organization. It is a very highly challenging job. It is highly rewarding as well, because when this is a challenging job, organizations and companies tend to pay higher salary to the employees. Most dynamic field and profession. This leads to the top position in the organization. Generally, what is seen as per the data, most of the people who reach the top positions in the organization are from marketing background. Okay, this typically starts as sales representative, executive, business development coordinator, executive, relationship executive, market research assistant, publicity officer. These are like the career which designation which you will be getting in the start of your career. Okay, so coming to the nature and scope of marketing. Nature of marketing. Marketing is a science as well as an art, right? Exchange is the essence of marketing. There is a give and take. Marketing is customer or consumer oriented. Marketing starts and ends with customers, consumers. Marketing is goal oriented, and the goal being profit maximization through satisfaction of human needs. Marketing is the guiding element of business. It tells what, when, how to produce. Marketing is capable of guiding and controlling business. Marketing is a system. Marketing is a process, right? So we see now we come to the scope of marketing. In marketing, we cover the consumer needs and wants. We study the wants and needs of the customer. What is the difference between wants and needs? We will be covering in the next lecture. This is a study of consumer behavior, what consumer prefer, what kind of behavior they explicit, Okay, this also covers production planning and development as per the your product, the kind of market you are targeting. This also covers production planning and development. It also covers pricing policies, distribution, the availability of your product in the market for the customers, the promotion, whatever activities you are doing for promoting your product, consumer satisfaction, and marketing control. So these are the things that are covered under the scope of marketing. So that's it for today's lecture. We will be covering the functions of marketing in the next lecture. Okay, thank you. Good day.